Hi guys, and welcome back to Simmer's DIY. Sorry I haven't posted in a while. I've been really busy. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button. And today, for this video, I'm going to be making butter slime. It's highly requested and apparently it's really popular. And also don't forget to comment down below what I should do for my next YouTube video. So let's get to it.
I just needed a little bit more whipped cream. To get all the bubbles away.
And then we will be needing glue, of course. And then we will be needing shaving cream. And then we will be needing paint, which you can use whatever you want to like color your slime. Like I guess you can use food coloring, but I prefer paint because it gives it a nicer and bolder color. And then you're going to be needing some lotion. And then, last but not least, you will need a bowl, of course. Oh yeah, and I forgot that we will also be needing a mixing tool. This is my mixing tool. Okay, so this is how you make it. Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot we're making butter slime. We need the key ingredient to make butter slime. We will be needing dough. You can use any kind of dough. You can use modeling clay. You can use what is it called? I forgot. But you can use every single kind of dough, and I am using Model Magic. I prefer Model Magic because I don't know, it just makes really good butter slime, I guess. Okay, so now let's make it. So first we're gonna have to put our glue in the bowl. And I guess you can put as much glue as you want in the bowl. You can put in as much as how big you want the slime. So then you're probably going to need maybe 2 tablespoons of lotion. And then we are going to put in our shaving cream. So you want to put in as half amount as shaving cream as you put in as glue. Why is that so difficult to say? So I got in the shaving cream, and then you want to mix it till it's all the way done. So once you have your slime all mixed, then you want to add in your color, which I am going for a pink because I love the color pink, and I think a pink butter slime would be good because it looks like cotton candy. So I just put a little bit of pink, so it'll be like, I guess, light pink. Oh my gosh, my bowl is moving around. Oh, thank you. Thank you, my handy assistant. And then mix it until you have the color all mixed in. And if you want it darker, you can add more. But I think I'm going to keep it like this color. And then, of course, we need to add in our borax solution. So I taught you how to make my borax solution in my last videos. So if you don't know how to make it, then just check out those. And to make butter slime, you actually only want to add in a little bit of borax because you want the slime to still be sticky because the dough makes it harder. Well, not harder, but yeah. So you're just going to want to grab your borax and add a little bit. That's good. And mix. So as you can see, it starts clumping up like that. You might want to add a little more. You don't want it too sticky. So maybe just a little more. Yeah, I'm thinking so. So I'm just going to grab my box and add just a little more. Okay, there I go. So I got some more. This is good. So once you have this down, then you're going to want to add in your dough. Just pop it in there. Mix it in. So I'm actually going to have to bring this out of the bowl. So, yeah. Okay, so I got my slime on the table. You are going to have to get your hands a little messy. So you're just going to want to... Oh, dear. Oh, my goodness. Okay, maybe I should have had boraxed it a little more. So... My mom is just going to pour in a little more borax. Yep. Thank you, Mother. So now you're just going to want to mix this in. And so yeah, just mix it and mix it and mix it. Mix it. Mix it. Mix it.
Okay, Mom.
Sorry. Okay, so you're just gonna want to mix it. So I'll see you guys when it is done mixing because this is going to take a long time.